You guessed it, based on the title of this video, I turned my bedroom into a YouTube studio. So we're no longer in the blue room anymore. We are in my bedroom, in front of my desk.
Toto, I have a feeling we're not in Kansas anymore.
By the way, leave a comment down below if you like the blue room or this room, I guess the wood room, better. Down in the comments section, let me know what you guys think of the setup. But this will be the setup moving forward for all my videos. The blue room's still there. I might make a few videos from there once in a while, but this will be the primary location for all my videos and content moving forward. Now, a lot went into this, including a lot of new purchases. And in this video, I wanted to show you a little bit behind the scenes of how I put this new studio set together. First, behind me, I want to point out that I installed these sound panels. They are made of wood as well, so they're a nice stylistic acoustic panel that you can really buy and use anywhere in your house. They do make it a little bit quieter in that area, so it kind of blocks the outside noise or the other side of the wall. So, you know, when I'm editing and there's landscaping outside going on, I can focus on editing peacefully in my editor. The other thing with the background is I bought a tube light, which is really nice. So this is from Aperture. It's their tube light brand. It's the 4-foot tube light. It's the Amaran PT4C. So this is what I'm using to uplight the back wall, which is really nice. Went with an orange. I think it complements the wood pretty nicely. In addition to that, there's a lot of new lighting in the room as well. So back in the blue studio, I actually used these light panels and I kind of moved away from them and wanted to upgrade my lighting to some really nice professional lighting. So what I bought is the Aperture LS300X. So that's what's being hung above me here, kind of bringing in most of the key light. And then I have a reflector to the right of me, just kind of bouncing and putting that back on. And then also I have an eye light in front, or behind the camera, I should say, the GVM LED light panel kits. Now with the Aperture, I did buy the Mini Dome 3, which is a really nice dome to put on the Aperture light. I've really enjoyed it. It's really easy. It doesn't really take that long to set up and tear down, which is really nice. I take these to interview projects quite a bit, so this is a really nice light to have. If you want to learn more about all these different products, I did put together an Amazon storefront. I will leave it in the link below. Feel free to go check it out. All the products used to create this studio space is in that store. Now let's get into why I did this. And what I really want to focus on in the second half of this video is talking about how my brand is shifting in the future. Not to say that I'm getting away from Premiere Pro After Effects tutorials, but I kind of want to start evolving as a creator and kind of going out of the comfort zone of just creating Premiere Pro After Effects tutorials. I really want to start talking about the business of video production, how to grow a YouTube channel, how as a video editor you can monetize your passion, and really getting into that type of content. I think when it comes to Premiere Pro After Effects tutorials, I'll always do those, but I'm gonna start sprinkling in some more videos about business and content creation as well. But with that being said, if there's a certain video that you want me to make, feel free to leave a comment down below. And if there's anything you want me to explain, elaborate on based on my own experience, feel free to let me know down in the comment section. But I'm excited. I think I'm gonna be able to grow as a creator, provide more value to you guys, and I don't know, it's just gonna broaden the scope of what I can offer as a content creator out here on YouTube. But that pretty much does it for this video. Pretty short and sweet, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.